Welcome to Civil Tutor 19. In this lecture, we will see civil engineering questions which was asked in SSC JEE 2018. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the Morse hardness number for topaz? Options are option A 2, option B 10, option C 12, option D 8. So in this question we have to find out the most hardness number for topaz. What is hardness? Hardness is probably the most important property for rapid determination of minerals. What did Morse did? Morse has arranged the minerals in the increasing order of the hardness. So talc, the talc, which is a mineral, is easily scratched with the thumbnail and is designated as 1. Gypsum, which is also a mineral, scratched by the thumbnail, which is designated as 2. Calcite, not scratched by the thumbnail but can easily cut by knife, designated as 3. Fluorite can be cut by knife with greater difficulty than calcite, designated as 4. Similarly, other minerals are designated. Apatite is designated as 5. Oxoclase is designated as 6. Quartz is designated as 7. Topaz is designated as 8. Sapphire is designated as 9. Diamond is designated as 10. So the question the hardness number of topaz is asked. Therefore the answer is 8. Therefore the option number D 8 is the answer. Question number 2. Find the delta for a crop when its duty is 864 hectare per cubic on the field and the base period is 120 days. So the options are A 864 centimeter, option B 400 centimeter, option C 310 centimeter, option D 120 centimeter. In this question we have to find the delta. Given our duty and base period is given. So the formula for delta is 8.64 into base period divided by duty. Base period is 120, duty is 864. Therefore we can easily calculate delta as 1.2 meter or 120 centimeter. Question number 3. What is the common scale adopted in the form of the representative fraction for the forest map? Options are 1 by 100, option B 1 by 1000, option C 1 by 10,000, option D 1 by 25,000. The answer is 1 by 25,000. For the building plan, the representative fractions are ranges from 1 by 50 to 1 by 200. For topographical survey, that is river, hills, forest, the scale ranges from 1 by 25,000 to 1 by 1 is to 1 lakh. For cadastral survey, or which is also known as the public land survey, the representative fraction varies from 1 is to 1000 to 1 is to 5000. Therefore in the question the representative fraction for the forest map is asked. Therefore the forest map ranges from 1 is to 25,000 to 1 is to 1 lakh. Therefore the nearest answer is 1 is to 25,000, option D. Question number 4. According to IS 10262 1982, what would be the compressive strength of OPC grade C? Options are 32.5 to 37.5 megapascal, option B 37.5 to 42.5 megapascal, option C 42.5 to 47.5 megapascal, option D 42.5 to 52.5 megapascal. As per IS 10262 1982, which is the IS code of mixed design, concrete mixed design, the compressive strength of cement are arranged as A, B, C, D, E, F, which is where A have the compressive strength of 325 to 375 kg per centimeter square, or 32.5 to 37.5 megapascal. Therefore the question in the question for C it is asked. Therefore for C the compressive strength of cement is 42.5 to 47.5 megapascal. Therefore the answer is option number C 42.5 to 47.5 megapascal. Question number 5. Which of the following is added as a vehicle in paint? Options are A tung oil, option B turpentine oil, option C red lead, and option D white lead. In the question we have to find out the vehicle in paint. Vehicle is what? Vehicle is also known as the binder, and the vehicle is an oil to which the base is mixed. It holds the constituent of paint in suspension. It helps and helps spread over it over the surface to be painted. Vehicle impart durability, toughness, and waterproofness to the paint film, and resistance to weathering and gloss to the painted surface. The examples of vehicles are the drawing oils such as linseed oil, tongue nut oil, poppy oil, tongue oil. Therefore, the answer is option A, tongue oil. Red lid and white lid are the base. Question number 6. In surveying, which of the following instrument is used for indirect measurement? This is indirect measurement. In the options are A, pedometer, option B, speedometer, option C, metric chain, and option D, pesometer. Indirect measurement is done by metric chain. The answer is metric chain. While the pedometer is this is the figure of the pedometer. A pedometer records the number of steps you have walked and displays them. This is the speedometer. As we all know, speedometer measures the distance. Measures distance when we drive, and this is the pesometer. Therefore, metric chain is the answer C. Indirect measurement. This give the direct measurement. And this is the odometer. Odometer is a device which can be attached to the wheel and which also measures the distance, rotational distance, and which get converted into linear distance here. Question number 7. As per IS 456-2000, what should be the nominal cover for footing? As per IS 456-2000, which is the IS code for reinforced concrete, as per clause 26.4.2.2, nominal cover of the footing is 50 mm, and for column it is 40 mm. For slab it is 20 mm. Question number 8. On a rough terrain, what is the achievable accuracy of a chain under conducive conditions? Options are 1 in 250, 1 in 1000, 1 in 2000, and 1 in 500. The answer is 1 in 250. These are the accuracy in chain for measurement with chain on rough or hilly ground. The accuracy is 1 in 250. For measurement with tested chain, plumb bob, the accuracy is 1 in 1000. For measurement with steel tape, the accuracy in chain is 1 in 2000 to 1 in 20,000. For measurement with invar tape, the accuracy is 1 in 20,000 to 1 in 1 lakh. This is the answer. Therefore, the answer is 1 in 250. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of sedimentary rock? The options are A, granite, option B, sandstone, option C, marble, option 4, quartzite. The answer is sandstone, B. While granite is a igneous rock, marble and quartzite are the metamorphic rock. Sedimentary rock are also known as the aqueous rock or stratified rock. The sedimentary rock are classified into 3 types. The sedimentary rocks resulting from the precipitation of salt in dry water basin. Example: gypsum, anhydrite, magnesite, lime topaz, dolomite. Second, sedimentary rock resulting from the accumulation of the plant or animal remains. Example: limestone, shale rock, diatomite, and tripoli. And the sedimentary rock resulting from the deterioration of massive magmatic of sedimentary rock. Example: sandstone, sand, gravel, carbonate conglomerate, and breccia. Therefore, the answer is sandstone. Question number 10. Identify the dimensionless parameter. A, Reynolds number, B, Celsius coefficient, C, specific weight, D, kinematic viscosity. The option is Reynolds number, A. Reynolds number, it is the ratio of two forces. Thank you.